We're not doing karaoke, but they're right this second. You got to hear me talk one more time. Boo! So, first and foremost, again, thank you all for all your hard work. You guys did a wonderful run. You should be proud of yourselves. Give yourselves a round of applause. No, not that Jennifer. That Jennifer. This Jennifer. Speaking of this Jennifer, you guys actually, yeah, I'm gonna tell them. She was up in the booth tonight crying. So. Now that being said, there have been numerous people throughout this run that have actually thoroughly enjoyed the show. I hope that you guys understand why we picked to do this show. I know it kind of seems weird, the story of the ugly duckling, all that kind of stuff, but every single one of you kids in here is just like ugly. You really are. And what I mean by that...
He's trying to make a heartfelt speech to make us cry, man.
Make hearing. Not that ugly, like. You gotta actually do stop.
What I mean by that is...
Waterfall.
What I mean by that is every single one of you is special in your own way. You guys have all grown into yourselves over the last 4 months. Yeah, we did 4 months of this. But it was really cool to watch you guys come in from auditions on day one. Some of you have been here before. Some of you have done this several times. Some of you are brand new. And it was really, really cool to be able to see your growth, not only as an actor or an actress or a performer, but as a person as well. We saw a lot of friendships blossom here. Over the summer and stuff like that. And there were times where Xavier and I were, I'd be driving him home, we'd be talking about rehearsal and stuff, and he would say stuff like, this one's gonna be a standout, like absolutely. Just a few of you guys, like Vinny, thank you for gracing us with your absolutely wonderful stage presence. Absolutely. There are adults that came to this show that are regulars in our theater who cannot wait to share the stage with you. Like, you are one of them. I know, that's what we told him. But Emmy, you did phenomenal. You embraced this character fully. And honestly, probably one of the biggest one of you to grow artistically would be Emmy. She learned to sing in full chest voice for 80% of the show, whereas at the beginning, even the beginning of 3 weeks ago, she was singing a lot in head voice. So Emmy, great job. Really good job. My ducklings, oh my God, you guys were just so wonderful. Thank you so much, all of you. It was so funny to sit back there every night and be like, God, what are they going to do tonight? But you guys were wonderful. The audience loved you. My small ensemble, my fishes, my froglets, all that kind of stuff. You guys were so much fun to watch every single night. All of you. And then... Oh, yeah. Oh, what's our favorite dance, guys? Let's do it. Kaden, that's what you were doing, and it was perfect. It was wonderful. We loved it. Oh, we were cracking up left and right, you guys. You guys did so good. Good.
Yeah, I heard you every time over there whenever Tyler came out with the apron.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, Jeremy. Thank you.
So, and then Queenie Lopa, your guys' scene was absolutely a crowd favorite. You guys did so good. As a matter of fact, Miss Gina and Miss Selena, that was your guys' favorite one, right? That whole scene, yeah, because it is them too. It was wonderful. Yes, all of you guys. I know this is a little biased, but Tyler, you super proud of you, dude. You really did good. You did good. You really embraced the dorkiness and of Drake, and it was perfect. It was great.
Tyler, I loved when it was my scene when you did. Wait, I know you can't leave the five. It was like
I
five.
kept getting that wrong.
Getting you wrong. I got it wrong. I know you did that. It's crazy.
Also, guys, I know Christina, I know you came in as a dancer with Xenia, like you guys just wanted to dance. But honey, you shone up here. Woo, girl! Again, my absolute favorite line in the entire show is he was aromatic and crispy before his time. It was beautiful. So, and then, gosh, who else? My geese family. Man. Allie, Michelle, Heisner, good. Super proud of you, babe. You did really good. Alex, really, really good too. All right? And you were the best Snowy ever. I'm sorry. You were just the best Snowy. Gosh, who else? God, there's just so many of you. I love you all. Ugly. Sophia, you literally have grown leaps and bounds. And there were times where me and Miss Carrie were sitting back there wiping tears away because of how far you've come, not only on stage, but off stage as well. You've really grown into yourself, and you just keep growing, and you're wonderful.
It's so hard not to.
Miss Skylar and Miss Allie, your guys' whole little thing was just, I loved it. We loved it. It was great. Good job, you two. Yes, and technicians backstage, thank you guys so much for all your hard work. You guys are great. Yeah. My Swan family, Joey, thanks for coming in and jumping in literally 2 weeks before, 3 weeks before we opened. That was great. And Sarah, I'm so glad you were able to get up on stage finally, which you've shown. Again, Olivia, you as well. You guys were wonderful. Designers, thank you so much for all your hard work and going with my craziness. I appreciate it. Yes. Kai, oh, that's right. Listen, besides Ugly and probably Ida, you had the hardest role in this whole show because it goes completely against who you are as a person. And it was so awesome to watch you every single night be a jerk. Like, my favorite line from one of the audiences, I think it was last night, was, man, that cat's mean. So, great job. Playing the villain's very fun, but very difficult, and you did a wonderful job. You should be very proud of yourself. Every single one of you should be proud of yourself. Thank you. Yes.
I'd like to say, besides the cat being a jerk, I also feel like Jaber, the character, was also a little bit of a jerk.
Yes, and honestly, Kat, I have to be honest with you. There's no one else who could have played that part. You were perfect. But yeah, thank you guys so much. Miss Phyllis, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Alex, where's Alex at? Where's Alex? No, the other Alex. There she is. Alex, I know you came in as the sound mentor and ended up running sound, so thank you for doing that and being great at it. Yes, I haven't gotten to Becca. I haven't gotten her yet. Becca, there was when we asked you to do lights, and Carrie said that there was over 150 light cues. I was like, she got this.
Yeah.
No, like,
I told you to fool Becca. Don't even try this. You wanted to go with someone else.
I did. But yes, that was the reason you got pulled though, was because you did Godspell so well. Yeah. That is the reason why. So thank you so much for that. Jenny, thanks for a wonderful set, and thank you for wrangling kids and stuff, and just being great. Thank you. Laurel, I know this was your first theater job, and you did fantastic, and I'd hire you again in a heartbeat. Thank you. Susie, thanks for keeping me on budget. And also, thank you for the wonderful props you did. Just awesome. Thank you so much. Cindy and Allie, thank you so much for being backstage and helping with those kids. You guys are wonderful. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. There's Abram. Where's Abram? Abram. Dude, listen, I have to tell you, when you came in for Alice and literally didn't want to do anything, like you didn't want to do anything at all.
You wanted to text and she thought that meant watching TV all throughout.
Yes. Kiri and I have talked about this several times. You have just surprised us and absolutely did a wonderful job. We were so happy to have you on stage with us for once. You did wonderful. Good job. Spencer, thanks for jumping in and being awesome and loving the kids. Andy, thank you so much. You're just wonderful. I love you. Preston, thank you for your voiceovers. Yes. And I know. Hold up. You guys didn't know the voiceover? The farmer's voiceover was Mr. Preston. Mike, I know I've told you this one-on-one, but thanks for literally jumping in the day you got back into town. Yeah, he got in on Thursday, and I said, hey, we have rehearsal Monday. He's like, okay, I'll be there. Selena, thank you so much for making sure these kids got seen and heard. That meant a lot to me. It really did. And Kiri. Oh, yeah, Cameron. No, we're going to talk about Cameron first. Cameron, thank you. Cameron, thank you so much for your wonderful designs and stuff like that. Honestly, I know you were really excited to work on this. I was too with you, and you made all this look beautiful. It was wonderful. Between you and Jenny and Rosemary, you guys made this, and Pearl Marie, you guys made this look absolutely gorgeous. So, Absolutely. And Kings, thank you so much. I know you just kind of came in and literally slipped in a way, but I'll tell you this much. These kids absolutely adore you, and thank you for being there to help with in any way we needed. I know Anna's not here, the same with her, but thank you. I really appreciate it. We really appreciate it. So thank you very much, sir. Now, Carrie. Oh, I'm not going to be, trust me. What a wonderful person. Yeah. No, honestly, thank you for being the one. You know what I'm talking about, but thank you for being that one. Okay? honestly, I don't think it could have been anybody else to do that. But thank you very much. I learned a lot, and I really love and appreciate you for all your hard work you do. All these kids love you as well as us. So thank you. Now, the final two. If I can have Xavier and Shannon up here, please. So first and foremost, Shannon. Little Shannon here. Hold on, Ashley. You did something that isn't easy. When Xavier and I picked you to be the PSM for the show, we knew that you could do it. We had no doubt at all in our minds. It was, who are we going to pick? Shannon. Absolutely. I want to thank you very much, not only as your director, but as your technical director as well, that you thoroughly impressed me, very much so. And you took there were times where I was just over the moon, the fact that you took charge. And that's something that you should be extremely proud of. You ran a show this big. This is probably one of the biggest shows we've ever had to do. And you made sure it flowed. You made sure that the technicians got their jobs done. And you just did absolutely wonderful. So thank you so much. So I don't know if everybody got a chance to sign this. If you didn't, please sign it before you leave. But this is from the cast and crew, okay, for you to have. And then this is a little something that, I'm sorry it's not wrapped, but just a little thank you gift, okay? And there's something inside of that too. So I figured you would like it.
Yeah.
Zelda?
Oh, that's so cool. Thank you.
So the lanyard is for the next time you're a stage manager, and you can put your key on that, because we're giving you a key and not one of us. Because you were always here before us. So thank you. True, very true. So thank you so much, honey. And Xavier, Jesus. Last year, when I was asked when I was chosen to direct Honk, I had to pick my PSM, and I'm glad I chose you. And we both have grown a lot, and I think our respect for each other has gotten more and more better over this course. Again, I couldn't have done this without you here. And I appreciate you, and I appreciate your friendship. So, again, this is, if you guys haven't signed this one's for Xavier. Please sign it before you leave, okay? And then there's that in there for you, okay?
Oh, thank you.
Yes.
Let's see.
We tried to get notebooks, but we looked everywhere and there was none.
Yes.
Ooh. Oh! It's a Dragon Ball wallet! And the Demon Slayer sticker!
Honestly, both of you again, thank you very much. This is not easy, so thank you very much for all that. So,
Real quick!
Oh!
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah!
You know I got some from my boy here. So I'm pretty sure most of us know Jeremy. And if we know Jeremy, we know that Jeremy is the type of person that takes on multiple projects at the same time. And so you kind of have to be like, Jeremy, hey, come on, do this. Focus on this real quick. Come on, Jeremy. And then he'll have to go do something else. And it's like, no, I need you over here, Jeremy, please. So I got you a gift. I got
Okay.
you a small gift. I'd like you to look at it and show it to the audience as well. Go ahead. I'd like to add in, this is kind of my roast as well, since I didn't get one, so double burn. But I got Jeremy this shirt because the first show I ever acted in with him was Rumors, right? And in the chat, he kept bringing up a lot of technical questions to the director. And so the director literally said, Jeremy, period, stop, period. And the chat loved it, and I loved it, so I put it on a shirt for him. Mostly to remind you to just slow down a little bit, take some time. But we also appreciate you and love you for all the hard work that you do around here.
Yes.
I
You probably will. I would like to, if you don't mind, I'd like to get a Sharpie and have the kids sign this.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So I'll leave this in there. You guys can sign it. I want to just again give a final thank you to everybody. This was you guys did a full-scale adult musical. I don't think you quite understand how much work that is. It's a lot of work, and you guys pulled it off. And I love each and every one of you. I'm proud of each and every one of you. And we hope to see you back next year. Also, keep in mind that there is Christmas Carol coming up. You guys are more than welcome to audition for that show. The director has given permission for children to be in that show. Those auditions are going to be September 30th and October 1st. Okay? So, again, thank you guys so much. Thank you. And let's go ahead and let's get the TV in here. We'll get some karaoke going, okay?
Before everyone goes running off, he thanks everyone, but no one ever thanked him.
Oh, they did.
For dealing with us?
Oh.
Ow, Dad.
Oh gosh.
You're the best, Daddy.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys.
Of course. We got pity in the hug.
Oh, good. Thank you.
This is like my first actual experience in a theater where I was allowed to be myself and I actually liked it here. And I'm very glad that I did.